everyone, it's me Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a squishy notebook. So you can get any notebook you want, like one of these. I'll show you to cover the front, and if you want the back, how to make it into a paper squishy. And it will be very soft. You can cover a hard one like this, soft one like that, cover small ones, cover big ones like this. You can cover big and like you can cover this material, and you can cover like hard ones, like this just bigger than. So yeah, you can cover any notebooks if you want. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what you'll be needing is some tape. I'm using thin and the wide one. You'll be needing a pencil, a sharpener if your pencil's not sharp, and probably a rubber. You'll need any colours of pens or pencils, and you'll also need a black one, a black pen or pencil, so like a liner. You'll need some scissors, some paper, and you'll need your notebook. Okay, your first instructions will be to get your paper, and you'll want to fold it in half as precisely as you can, like that. Run your nail along it. And I'll remove the rest of the paper side. After you've folded it, you'll want to get your notebook and lay it down. Open it up if it's got the rings. You want to open it up and align the edge of the notebook with the edge of your folded bit, and you want to trace it out like so. Like so. And now that you've got that and it's aligned with the edge of your paper, so like that, you want to then add a bit extra, so maybe a couple centimetres, 2 or 3 centimetres. Like that. And you can draw your design in this box, but this is the edge, you cannot draw anything in. So I'll quickly draw a design and I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, now that you've drawn your design, you're going to want to get your liner pen. I'm using a black Sharpie, and you're going to want to outline your design. I am just doing a small pattern, but you could draw anything you want on this, like a unicorn. Also check out my last video for when I made a paper unicorn squishy. And if you want more in-depth tutorial on how to make squishies, you can go over to that video. Check that video out. I'll have it linked in the end card. Today, sadly, my producer will not be here, as she is feeling a bit ill today. So yeah, you just want to outline the entire thing. I'll meet you back once I've done. Okay, now that you have finished outlining your design in black pen, I've just done a swirl design. You then will want to erase out all the rest of your pencil marks that you can see, and you'll want to erase out the line that you originally drew around your book. You just want to erase that, like that. Remember, if you want a more detailed video on how to make squishies, go watch my last video, which was making a DIY paper squishy. More in-depth instructions on how to make this. Okay, now that you have finished colouring in your design, you'll then want to get your scissors and cut out around the line you drew. You want to cut out around the line you drew, the outer line, not the inner line. And you just want to cut all the way around. Sorry I'm not in frame, but you get it. You don't need to get this perfect, but try and get the lines as straight as possible. Just cut all the way around, except from this edge, because this edge is always sealed. So now that it's cut out, you'll then next you want to get your big tape, and you'll want to cover your entire image. You don't really need to do the back because it will be on your notebook, but you can if you want. I'm just going to cover the front, and I'll meet you back once I'm done. It will also save you time if you put a bit extra tape on both ends, and if you just wrap it around, because it will save us having to use the small tape and putting lots of little bits around the edge. What I forgot to mention was that you're going to need to leave one opening, so I've just left the bottom opening here, so like that. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your stuffing, and you're going to want to just stuff the inside of the squishy like this. So you want to open it like that, like a package, and just fill it with stuffing like that. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to want to, as you can see, I've filled it all up with stuffing like that, just trying to get it in focus like that. And now that you've done that, you're going to want to get your tape, and you're going to want to rip off a bit that is the length of the end that you didn't seal, and you're going to want to push it all into the other end, close it like that, and put your tape along the end like that, and just fold it over. This bit's kind of tricky, so just keep going until you get it. Like that. And if you've got any bits on the end, just fold them over if you've got any stick on them. Like that. So now you basically have a squishy. I'll show you what to do. Now that you've basically got your squishy, like that, you're going to either want to get glue and cover its entire side and stick it like that, and then you basically finish. But what I'm going to do is get some sticky tape and rip a length off like that, stick it to the edge. This bit is also tricky, so just keep trying. So you've got quite a bit overhanging. Open out your book, put it so it's aligned, and then just fold over so it goes over the edge of your notebook like that. And you're going to want to do that for the remaining two sides. And yeah, if to you it feels easier by getting little bits of tape and just putting a little bit at a time and just folding it over like that. Once you've done that, you have now officially finished your squishy notebook. You can put it on this side as well, but I'm not going to. And yeah, you could take this to school, and like if you're boarding class, you can maybe squish this, or makes a nice pillow too, just in case you get bored in class. And yeah, it's quite a good squishy. And yeah, that is the end of this tutorial, and we'll cut to a quick montage of this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. and I will see you in my next video.